Hi, my name is Tom Walton, and this is my partner, Merman Davis. We were both born and raised in New Jersey. We met in New Jersey, and we've made our home here. I currently work at UPS. We've always contributed to our communities and to our state, but yet our state is treating us like second-class citizens. We were recently represented by Lambda Legal when UPS refused to respect our civil union for the purposes of health insurance. Because we have a civil union and not a marriage, UPS said they didn't have to provide health care for Merman, who has insurance, but it's far inferior and more costly to our family. Married couples get to make the decision about which insurance is the better deal. And until UPS changed their mind, we weren't able to make that choice. Because the state of New Jersey treated my family different than a married couple, UPS did too. If it had been called a marriage, as it is in Massachusetts, this would not have been an issue. UPS recognizes all marriages there. On the same day that we received the notice from UPS that they had changed their minds, we were applying for a home equity loan and spent a fair amount of time having to explain what a civil union was. The woman looked at us like she had no idea what we were even talking about. And obviously there was no box to check. It was either married, single, or divorced, and that was your choices. We feel like this is going to be our lives now, explaining to people what a civil union is. Having to explain it automatically devalues it. Even if it gives us all the rights of a marriage, it certainly doesn't give us the respect. Separate is never equal. Even if legislative leadership says that it's a matter of education to bring everyone up to speed with the new civil union law, consider this. You're educating people to treat same-sex couples and gay people in general differently than everyone else. That isn't a lesson the government should be teaching. Same-sex couples are often at the mercy of many people for many different situations. We shouldn't have to hope that we find kind people along the road who understand who we are and what we mean to each other without having to explain it and carry legal documents around with us. We've been together for 15 years. We were married in a religious ceremony 9 years ago. We're committed to each other and our family, and we want to spend the rest of our lives together. We just want our state to treat us fairly and allow us to be legally married. If we are treated badly or differently by someone, it should be based on their own ignorance and bias, and not because they've had a signal from the government that it's okay to do so.